Hey guys, look what Amazon brought today. It's time to up my game, lighten my hose, and hopefully get rid of those kinks. Stick around and let's unbox and hook this baby up. Hey guys, welcome back to Lawn Journeys. Glad to have you here today. If you haven't done it already, give me a like, give me a subscribe, follow along. I'm always trying to add new content. Doing a lot of N-Ext applications this year, hose and sprayer, using the Ortho dial and spray. I have a pretty light hose, but you know, I've seen these 0G hoses online, so I went with the 5/8 100 foot. It's supposed to be 50% lighter. It's not supposed to kink, or not kink like the hoses that we're used to. It's abrasion, leak, and puncture proof, and it was assembled in the USA. I guess that's better than nothing, right? So it has aluminum fittings that are crush resistant. So let's unbox this thing. Let's hook it up, get it on the hose reel, and take it out for a spin. This is the 0G 100 foot 5/8 inch hose. Improved grips, crush resistant, aluminum coupling with brass insert. They do make a 3/4 inch that they call the Pro. I'm going to get the same pressure out of either. So I went with the 5/8. Nicely packed in here. I like the fittings. They look good. Seems pretty rigid as far as being tough. Here's the other end, washer installed. So I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to hook it up to my hose reel, and then I'm going to pull it off and let you guys know if I think it's easier to reel off versus my regular rubber hose. And I'm going to haul this thing around, and we're going to spray some N-Ext products today. Okay, got the hose fully installed on the reel, 100 foot. I have to say, rolled up really easy. I'm going to pull this off like I'm going to use it, which I am going to use it. And already, I have to say I like it. It is light. It is light and it is nice. I already see myself getting another 100 footer because there are some parts of my property that I don't think I'm going to reach with the 100, and I'm going to still need the rubber hose if I had 2 of these. Let's give it a test first. Okay, I have to say I like this very much already. How this thread seems so much better than my hose. Look how easily this is going on. That's a quick thread and it's tight. Let's pressurize the water. Feel the pressure building up. No leak. Let's get the air out. No leaking whatsoever. Very nice. This is so light. It is so light. Oh, I'm loving it. Loving it. Let's see how hard this is to pull. Very nice. It's almost like there's no hose. Unbelievable. It is feather light. Feather light. Unbelievable. Totally different. This sprayer feels so light. It's because I'm not dragging that heavy hose around. This is my front 1,500 feet. A totally different experience using this sprayer with this hose. It's unbelievable. It is so light. I'm not hauling this hose around over my shoulder. It's incredible. So far, so good. All right, guys, really impressed. Really impressed with the 0G. This was the 5/8 diameter. The pressure in the hose should be the same as if I were running a 3/4. I'll provide the formula. High school, college physics. You can put more volume through a 3/4 inch hose, but the pressure should be the same. So I didn't really notice any pressure difference. I have to say the hose didn't kink. It's featherweight light, easy to move around. I really like it. I like it so much that when I got to the 100-foot length, I had to put my old, better rubber hose on. I'm buying another one. I'm going to put 200-footers together. I think they'll even both fit on my hose reel. Unbelievable. I'm really impressed. I like these fittings. These, there's a lot of room to grab this 0G here with this brass aluminum fitting. There's no leaks. Very impressed. Like I said, no kinks, easy to move around. It came off the hose reel really fast. And I just laid out about 8,700 square feet of humic 12 on my property, which was my second treatment this spring. I'm going through the stim pack again. Happy with it. And I'm really happy with this hose. Like I said, when I got to the far edge of my property, 100 feet's not enough, so I had to put what is now my old hose on this. I had an older hose that was even heavier, so I put my rubber hose on the end of this, hauled that around. Yeah, it worked, but oh man, this is so light. It's like air. It's unbelievable. It's Lawn Journey approved. Let's roll that thing out. Where is it? It's out here somewhere. Lawn Journey approved. But I will report back. I'm going to use the hose, obviously. It's now my primary hose. If I have a problem with it, if I develop a leak or a kink, I'll let you guys know. I know some people, you know, every product out there, you'll find comments online where it didn't work or it broke or it leaked. It's got a 5-year warranty on it. You know, from what I read, most of the folks who had problems online, they're the 1 in 100 that fail, unfortunately. So, you know, I'm hoping for the best. So the last thing I'm going to do before we end here is I'm going to, after I say goodbye, you guys stick around for a minute. I'm going to roll this thing up on the hose reel, and I'll tell you what, it came off so easy. I think I could crank this thing back on the hose reel with 2 fingers. Not going to do that, but let's check it out. But anyway, that's it for today. And as I always say, guys, get out there, get it done. You have no excuse. The weather's good. We're all spending a little more time at home. Hopefully you're not out of work and working from home. If you are out of work, I hope it ends soon for health reasons, besides economic reasons. We all need to get back to work, and we need to put this behind us, or, you know, continue to do our part and try not to spread it or get it. So, I mean, this thing is, look at it. It's limp. This thing is awesome. It is so light. You could pack this thing up, throw it in your car, throw it in a bag. Look at this. Unbelievable. I'm getting another one. I'm gonna roll this up on the hose reel. 100 feet. Ready? Here we go. Look at that. Holy cow. Probably could fit another 100-footer on here. Definitely. Loving it. Lawn Journey approved. Get out there. Get it done. Catch you guys next time. Don't kink your hose. Don't trip on your hose. Get a 0G.